You can keep this inside, or you can keep it aside, or you can keep this tonight. And these are the three things you will live inside your entire life. As I walk across the darkness fence of the yards and holy fist that discard everything in the reach of upon a demon scratch across the wall as it's gleaming inside the back of your mind. We float like bats in the night, eat crazy at D.O.T.T.
D.O.T.T on the mic tonight. I'm about to go super insane. About to go super saiyan like the guy with the bad hairline, Vegeta. And I'm going so hard today, and the way goes away. A lot of people talking a bunch of shit, and that's a lot of shit I don't care to take in. But I take in all the focus and all the positivity, because your life is full of hate, and I can tell by how you speak. I can tell by how you speak.
I am just a cannon. Certain memories separate across the timelines different. And even if I looked up the tree in certain circumstances, won't remember the paper put on a piece and just lived out your life for all that you wouldn't take of any side of any street. And you will remember trees certain times, how they grew outside in different places, different faces, in different locations, and different names we won't release tonight. But I gotta die, me and dying. I got dying time for me, and I got dying time for
I got dying time for you. I'm a dying time for you. I eat 'em up tonight. Now I'm high, and now I know why. I spit my flow is so hard than cocaine. Other people hating on me, but my brick style is bigger than cocaine. And my brick style is bigger than cocaine, it's bigger than cane. A lot of people are hating on me, but I know what am I. A lot of people hating on me, but I know that my flow is cocaine, and I spit it every time I bring my flow. My flow is infectious, you better stay back, you better social distance. Yeah, better social distance. That's my flow. It's so
Kamehameha, cause I'm Goku. Kamehameha, cause I'm Goku. Just do Kamehameha, cause I'm Goku. Stay true, but stay weak. Kamehameha, cause I'm Goku.